Hi, today I'm Friday UleFone Armor 17 Pro and I'll show you that the device comes with the earbuds inside the box. So let's first open the box. This is some paper box, the USB cable and the adapter. So let's check also this paper box. Here we got the phone stand and some paperwork and the protective glass. And unfortunately we have now here any earbuds, so if you want to use them with your UleFone device, you should buy the headphones separately. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.